In this video, we are going to discuss the topic known as tests for water. Water. Pure water is always colorless, tasteless and odorless. Pure water always boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Remember, the pressure should be 76 centimeter of mercury. Pure water always freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, and remember, the pressure should be 76 centimeter of mercury. If the pressure changes, then the boiling point and freezing point of water also changes. The next substance which we are going to use to test the water is anhydrous copper sulfate salt, which is white in color. If we pour or drop water over anhydrous copper sulfate salt, which is white in color, this salt changes into blue color. No other liquid can change the color of white anhydrous copper sulfate salt to blue. It's the only water which can change the color of this salt from white to blue. The second substance to test water is anhydrous cobalt chloride salt. The actual color of anhydrous cobalt chloride salt is blue, and whenever water is dropped or poured over anhydrous cobalt chloride salt, the color of the salt changes from blue to pink. No other liquid can change the color of anhydrous cobalt chloride salt from blue to pink. Only water has the capacity to change the color of anhydrous cobalt chloride salt to pink color. Thus, we can verify if a liquid is a water or not only by adding a few drops of it to anhydrous copper sulfate salt, which is white in color, and on adding water it will change its color into blue. And we can also use anhydrous cobalt chloride salt, which is having actual color of blue, and it changes into pink color on addition of water. The next topic which we are going to discuss is the uses of water. The water is used in our daily life. It's used for bathing and washing purposes. It's used for washing fruits and vegetables. It's used for cooking. It's used for making syrups. It's used for making soft drinks, etc. Water is also used in our life processes. Water is used for drinking purpose. Water is used in dissolving food material in our digestive system. Water is used to help in removing the excretory waste material from the body. Water helps in regulation of the body temperature by the processes known as sweating and evaporation. Water is also used in agriculture also. In agriculture, water helps in dissolving nutrients present in the soil, which are assimilated by the plant roots and is used for the manufacturing of food and is also required for the growth and development. Various kinds of insecticides are dissolved in water so that they can be sprayed on the agricultural plants. Water is also used in the generation of electric energy. In hydroelectric stations where electricity is produced with the help of water, water is used there to drive the dynamos, and these dynamos turns the electric generator and produce electric current. At thermoelectric stations, water is changed into steam, and this changing is done by heating. Then this steam is used to drive dynamos so that the electricity can be generated at the hydroelectric power stations. Water is also used in number of industries like dyeing industries, tanning industries, steel industries, alcohol industries, etc. Water is also used in the manufacturing of different chemicals. Water can be used for the manufacturing of ammonia, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid and other sorts of chemicals. Water is also used as medicine. Distilled water is used in the injections as well as for the medical formations, which is the solutions of the medicines in distilled water. Water is also used in the laboratory also. In laboratory, distilled water is used, and it is used for the purification of water soluble compounds by crystallization, and water is also used for other analytic purposes. That's all in this video.